this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Projector to mobile HY300. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this particular model of Projector, I'm going to teach you how to set up any smartphone to connect to it, either an iOS device or an Android one. Regardless of which option you have available, you will be able to choose among all of them and connect it. So in order to cast your screen, you either have to choose between doing wireless, screen, or HDMI. You also have the wired screen option, so choose any of these. If you choose wired or HDMI, you are going to get instructions, and this will be done using a cable. So what you have to do is use these ports at the back, either HDMI or USB, and establish a physical connection between the HY300 projector and your smartphone. There's no secret to this. You plug one end of the cable here, the other one goes into your phone, and you are good to go. Of course, because most phones don't have an HDMI port, you are going to need an adapter. So something like USB to HDMI or Lightning to HDMI, depending on which options you have available. The exact same thing can be done with USB. And they actually recommend using the original charging cable, as you can see here. So this should be enough for it to work. You agree with the pop-up that appears and you are good to go. Alternatively, if you're going to wireless, you are most likely going to see Miracast. So for Miracast, all that you have to do is make sure that the projector and the smartphones are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is very important. Make sure that you set up the Wi-Fi network between the HY300 and the smartphone, and once they are the same, go into the screen mirroring options on your iPhone, so scroll down and tap on this icon and you will find the projectors listed here, or use something like Smart View if you are using a Samsung device, for example. If you are not using a Samsung device, then you have to look into screen mirroring elsewhere, but as long as you are in the same Wi-Fi network and you choose screen mirroring, you will be good to go. So choose between a wired connection or wireless. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Projector to mobile HY300. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.